Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter error codes on Xbox. Our access to the game is restricted due to this error, which usually occurs in the Microsoft Store or Xbox Cache problem. Of course, we may encounter such an error not only because of this problem, but also due to many other problems. For this, you can reach the solution of the problem by mentioning a few suggestions. Maintenance work on Xbox servers may cause you to encounter various problems like these. For this, we can understand what is causing the problem by checking the Xbox servers. You can check Xbox servers by clicking the link in the article. Try to log in again by closing your Microsoft account within the Microsoft Store program. Performing this action can help us resolve possible errors. Open the Microsoft Store program and click on the Sign Out option by clicking on the profile icon in the upper right corner. After this process, log into your Microsoft account again and check if the problem persists. Disabling Xbox services may cause us to encounter such problems. Type services in the Start search screen and open it. Then double-click on the service I show in the video and follow the steps I show. After the process is completed, check if the issue still occurs. Various problems on the Microsoft Store may cause such an issue. For this, we can solve such problems by resetting the Microsoft Store. Type Microsoft Store in the Start search screen, right-click on it and click App Settings. Then perform the reset by following the step I show in the video. After this process, log into the application and check if the problem persists. Various problems on the Xbox game bar may cause such an issue. For this, we can solve such problems by repairing the Xbox game bar. Type Xbox game bar in the Start search screen, right-click on it and click App Settings. Then follow the step I show in the video. After this process, log into the application and check if the problem persists. Damaged or corrupted files in Windows files can cause many error codes. To do this, we will tell you a few ways to solve the problem. Type cmd in the Start search screen and run as administrator. Then, paste the codes in the article into the command prompt and press enter. I do not press enter because the process will take a long time. After the process is completed, you can check if the problem persists by restarting the computer. In this video, we gave information on how to fix the Xbox error code. If you still have a problem, you can mention it in the comments.